Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful cute girl holding a beautiful handbag. I am drawing the beautiful girl. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the girl. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here brush pen color to color this beautiful girl. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Wow, the girl is looking so pretty and so beautiful. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.